Welcome. If you want to use features on Facebook that require detecting nearby devices like sharing files or finding friends nearby, you'll need to allow nearby device access for the Facebook app on your phone. In this video, I'll show you the updated steps to enable this permission quickly and safely. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open your device's settings. This is the app that looks like a gear icon and is usually found on your home screen or in your app drawer. Next, scroll through your settings menu until you find Apps or App Management. The name may vary slightly depending on your device, but it's where you manage all the apps installed on your phone. Once you're in the Apps section, look for Facebook in your list of installed apps. You can scroll or use the search bar at the top to find it faster. Tap on Facebook to open its app info page. Now find and tap on Permissions. This section controls what features and data Facebook can access on your device. Here, you'll see a list of permissions like camera, location, microphone, and more. Look for the option labeled Nearby Devices or Nearby Device. Tap on it. To allow Facebook to detect and connect with devices close to you, select Allow or toggle the switch so it's turned on. That's it. You've now enabled Nearby Device access for Facebook. This permission lets the app discover and interact with devices nearby, which can be useful for sharing content or connecting with friends in your area. If you ever want to review or change this permission, just follow these same steps. Remember, you're always in control of what Facebook can access on your device. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Have questions or need more help? Drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.